Yeah, always look for the A plus setups. And remember, you can control a lot of this with those stops, but having in the correct position size. So if you guys have to have a looser stop loss in place, but your position size is too big, you're going to be giving up too much money all the time while you're waiting for the right trade setup in that stop loss, right? So the other side of that is some of you will go in so heavy that your stop loss is so tight that you never allow it to breathe and it just gets stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out. Well, that isn't going to do you any good either, right? SPY respecting the 9 bounced. Now remember, this has to stay above that 6. I've got 605.59, so it's 605.60, 605.50, right? It's going to be off by 20 to 30 cents. So it's right in this level. As long as it stays above, you guys are beautiful still to the upside, right?
Right.
Correcto mundo, senor.
That's right. And then just move your stops. Somebody just said how many points? Okay, so today, just because I'm trading futures, typically what I do is I have it set to 20 ticks and then I manually move it. I usually never allow that 20 ticks, but I just put something on my screen so I can see it. And then I will control it by key critical areas. So I don't just set 20 ticks and just, I hope it doesn't stay in that. No, I look at what the support and or resistance is, depending if I'm right buying or selling it. Then I go from there. I don't just blanket 20 ticks, right? 40 ticks like you see everybody. That just makes zero sense.
Coach, what do you think of Google here? Broke the 200, seems to be bouncing off of it.
Yeah, you're looking for Google to hold off the 9. Doesn't look incredible, but SPY does. Look at SPY right here. Oh my gosh, this is textbook.
6 star on SPY there.
No. What I meant is if you guys look at it, you see how everything's bunched up? VWAP 55, 21, 9. You already know you stay above the 9. Bye. There's nothing left, right? And then you're just looking for a double top. Love those.
I was looking for the pullback to VWAP on that one and got picked up.
Yeah, right here off this little baby move.
Yeah, that little bit of a wick to the downside and it quickly bounced back up.
Yeah, if you look at it too, right? It did it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, right? Oh, look at SPY. Goodness gracious. It's on the 200 again.
Order filled.
Yeah, baby, let's dance. SPY just broke the 200 to the downside. So what do you guys think I'm in? I'll give you one guess.
Puts, baby. Puts.
Thank you. And what do you think I'm going to do when we hit this level at 605?
Order filled.
Eat the cookie.
Just took it. $1,300 gain right there.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm going to watch for a bounce to the 200, or I'm going to watch and see if it pulls below. There it goes.
Order filled.
I'm going to try to catch the tail. Oh, it's right there. I don't like the way it's sitting flat, though. I do not like that at all. Tried to catch the tail on this one. See, it popped right back up into this main channel again.
Yeah, I've got a declining channel now for SPY. Real nice.
Yeah, I'm still in these puts just because the way that it bled so hard to get here.
It did. It's on declining support, though.
SPY still sitting here at the 605 level, just sitting here doing the dance. So what you want to see on SPY, I was going to say, you want to see it pull back below 605 because this is retesting this area. Otherwise, you're going to get that bounce right back up to that 200 MA. Everybody see?
I got a question on SPY because I look at all the time it went kind of bottoming. It looked like it's doing lower low.
Yeah, it is. And it did. Yep. And you're right. And if you look at it right here, Nana, see how it went here to here?
Okay.
Yep, it is. It's stair stepping down, right? Like this.
So to me, the way I see it is SPY is on the downside.
So far, but we're just respecting 605. But yes.
Okay.
I'm still in these puts because as long as it sits at the 605. So you see what it did? It popped up. It actually hit the 9. It pulled back. We're right back down here again. The 605 is the longer it lingers, the more it's going to want to pop. And we're getting close to going from green to red, which is going to be another level of support. There's not a ton of room down here. There we go. There goes SPY. There's the move. Come on, little more. I want to see it hit the spot. It's going to get momentum. It's going to go. Come on. You know you want to do it. Let's do it. Look at SPY. Oh, Billy. Oh, there it is. Oh, Billy Baru. There she goes. I've got a gold level at 60.90 on ES futures. And there's your lower lows. Boy, I wanted more out of that, though. I got real greedy. I did not sell right there, Palm.
Well, SPY, as long as it doesn't go back above 605, I feel like it's a good spot if you're still in it.
Now you've got the 9. So even if it breaks 605, the 9 is sitting right there as it's ceiling. SPY still sitting here, still respecting the 9 over here on SPY. If SPY breaks that 9, though, I'll get out of that trade because then I got to sit there and let it ride all the way to that damn 21. And by then, that's going to cost a lot of money.
Coach, on SPY, it's right down on the 200.
Yeah, I got a little greedy. I wanted to see more. I was off 1 point. That's what happens in futures. I was off by 1 point. I was trying to get it to 60.90 and it hit 60.91 even. Off by $1. Buy now above 605. You've got the 9 and the 200 right there. Like I said, if that can't hold, I'm out. Testing that level. Remember the 21, the buck stops there, right? Look at this thing. It's so tight. Coach got a little greedy off of this move. SPY pulled back off that 21, right back to 605. Starting to curl on SPY here. Really don't like this thing. You see how it looks like a boot? It's a mini boot. Look at this. Right here.
Yeah, did the same thing on the last dip, Coach.
Yep, you're right.
Stop
I'm
filled.
out. I ain't playing that game. I told you once I break that 21, I'm done. I'm not playing that game. I tried to get $1 more out of it.
I've done that.
Yeah, oh my gosh, that makes me so mad when I do that
Too many
stupid.
times I've done it.
So dumb. Like, oh, it's because I've got a gold level at 60.90 over here. It was $1 off. I'm like, well, if it hits that, I'm gonna be out. Nope. And then
Yeah.
it costed me $2,000 because I sat in it. Like, okay, that was smart. Yeah, that's now look at that. Give me a break. Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Oh my. Come on. You son of a. And I got stopped out. Oh, and what do you know? It hit my gold level at 60.90.
Was somebody on the news or something, Coach?
Must be. Yeah, that's definitely newsworthy.
Jesus, everything went like.
Yeah, that just went lights out, didn't it? Yes, go ahead.
Can you please give us an idea why it bounced so hard on this support
Yeah, it was right
of the
here.
previous day?
Yeah.
Why?
Because remember, what's the most important critical levels, everybody? Give me the 4. Go.
9,
Previous
21,
high and low, previous day high and low.
And the charting. Now give me the
Previous
charting.
high and
Those are
low.
indicators. Now give me the charting.
Red to
Pre-market
green.
high and low, previous day high and
Stay
low.
There you
low.
go.
Pre-market
Previous
high.
day high, previous day low, pre-market high, pre-market low. Those are the 4 strongest on the board, right?
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, it's just a beautiful bounce. And you guys could see it. It was massive right here. I mean, this is a gold level. Who was it that asked me that question? Where are you?
Chris here.
Chris, tell me why that's a gold level and not just a regular level. Gold meaning it's more weight.
Because it's the pre-market low.
That's
No.
one. That's a part of
Yes.
it. What else? There's more to it than that because otherwise this would just be pre-market low, not gold, right, everybody? So you tell me, Chris, what makes a gold level? And if not, just tell me you don't know and I'll answer.
No.
604.30 is a gold level because it touched it so many times, right? Here, 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 and here. Remember, everybody?
Oh,
More times it touches, the more strength it gives it. Therefore, I would mark it as a gold level and not just pre-market low. So it has even more weight. You okay? Does that make sense?
Fully. Thank
Very
you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.